Go to school. Go to school. This is correct. And go to the school. Go to the school. This is wrong. This is wrong. Go to work. Go to work. This is correct. Go to the work. Go to the work. This is wrong. Go to hospital. Go to hospital. This is correct. Go to the hospital. Go to the hospital. This is wrong. We also say stay in bed. Stay in bed. And this is correct. Not stay in the bed. Not stay in the bed. And this is wrong. Be at home. Be at home. This is correct. And this is be at the home. Be at the home. This is wrong. This is wrong.